Speak. 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 Yeah. You want one? Oh, look at Pat.
Okay, Spookers, you can speak. You can speak. Yeah, you did. What's
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. He left it. Come on, speak. Speak. No, you gotta speak. You're not gonna get one unless you speak. You have to learn how to speak. Woof. Did you see that? Jeez.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Give
Big.
me-
Woof. 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 Woof.
Well, Lola will take it
Big.
away.
Big. Woof. 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 You're on speak. Jump. Mmm. They know. Chihuahuas know how to speak.
We haven't even adopted it yet.
No, it's not ours. Yeah. I'm sweet there. Yeah. That dog. Looks like Arpeige or something. Got a cute little sweater on. Needs a haircut. Looks like it was groomed not too long ago.
The first thing we do is take her to the vet and
We don't know if it's been spayed or not, or neutered.
and
We don't know anything about him.
nope.
Oh, drinking the water, eating, ate all the food. Oh, there's some more, but you didn't want it. He's not really hungry. He's eating enough food. Oh, he's after Palikia now. Oh,
You wouldn't want to stay here. All you do is fish and steak.
oh, you wouldn't want to be in bed with us.
Oh yeah, I know you're a male. All you're chasing around, looking at the boat. Go on, I got it made. I got two females.
Leave me alone.
Hey, whatever it is, it's too fuzzy.
What are you doing? Cute little girl. You too, Palikia. Oh, you cute little guy. Hey, get back here. Come and sit down. Sit down. You're nervous. That's it, huh? Well, where is he? Eating? Did he finally poop out?
Who?
The dog. Where's the dog? Well, if I'm going to have him on camera. Why don't you come and sit down and relax? Hey, don't you know how to sit down and relax? Get up there. He's nervous.
Well,
He doesn't know where he's at. He wants her.
it's only been with us
How long?
today.
For the day? He came in this morning. He was in it before noon when Leo came. He was here before Leo. And that was around, what, 11:30 to noon? 11? Huh? I don't know when they left. Nobody's home.
You're so ugly, you're cute.
I don't think he's ugly.
I'm sure they must.
They're at home.
It does-
Nobody's home. What do you think, Felicia? Hmm?
First thing you're gonna do is just
He's nervous. Sit down. Okay, what are we gonna call you? Jim? Jimbo? Bo? Bo?
Saint Nick.
Bo? Bo?
We'll see what they might have a name for it. We don't even know. I'm sure they're gonna want the dog, but they can't.
Doesn't look like it. Little kid. There's a little kid there. Do you think everything and leave him? Probably been out before. Looks like he's been out before. Are you a worldly guy, huh? You're not taken care of, are you? Tilting your head, yeah. Yeah. You're not taken care of, are you?
That doesn't care very well. Probably
Wants to go home.
wanting to go home.
Well, there's nobody home. Nobody home. So what do we do?
The dog doesn't know that.
He didn't know what to do.
We can stay here for a while. Yes, you can stay here.
Just relax. She's tired. More food? You're emptying everything, aren't you? He's a growing pup. Eating all the food and all the water. That's okay. And there it is, folks.
The dog groomer.
There it is. Oh, love it, bucket. Love it, bucket.
Get yourself matted. Yes, you'll get all your curlies cutting off. Yes.
Yeah, we could take care of him.
Yes.
Hope he's been neutered. Doesn't matter anyway. They're both been spaded.
I think he's probably wanting to go home.
Yeah, I think so. He wants to know where he. But Pat, there's nothing we can do. You're not home.
I just don't want to.
I don't want to just let him go without a home. You just wander around and get hurt. Alright. It's been over 8 minutes, this one.
That's what I want to do.
So,
Get the numbers.
yes. Very important. That's what they did, right? That's what they did. At Petco, probably.
Everybody
Yes.
would think like we do. We'd crawl up.
In case he gets out.
But
That's not right.
blanket is too damn loose, tight, too small for him or whatever it is.
Come here. Here, Bo. Bo, come here. Come here, Bo. God, he reminds me of Cleopatra. She was curly. You look like Cleopatra, but she was black. Come on, Pam. You don't want to. You're confused, baby. Here, Bo. Here, Bo. Come here, Bo. He's nervous. Okay. 9. At 10, I'm going to stop this. I think it's enough time. You eating again? He's eating again, folks. He's eating all the food.